guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we're a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA INHALE Metallic. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment. Just throw it our way. And I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank the subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. And today we've got a look at the PUMA INHALE Metallic. We got this in the yellow alert colorway in the UK size 7.5. It's a US 8.5. It's a European 41. So let's get unboxing. And here they are, very vibrant in this color. PUMA, at a minute they're having a moment. You know, the Speed Cat, the Mostro, and you got the INHALE now. So this is a 2000s inspired track sneaker, and obviously nowadays you won't be using this on the track to do your running. This is more lifestyle now, and plus, like, it has been picked up by A$AP Rocky. A$AP Rocky has done his own versions of the INHALE. This was like a distressed version. But this is kind of like the OG ones that came out with the sole purpose for running that track events. So we'll start with the outsole. You've got this rubber outsole right here, and you can kind of see like where the tracks would have been for, you know, sprinters and runners right there with the molds. The midsole unit, you foam midsole that makes the midsole right there. You got that PUMA cell as well, so that's essentially the PUMA's cushioning system is PUMA cell, and that's found in the midsole. And then the upper unit, as the name suggests, you've got these metallic overlays with this yellow mesh right here. You can see the hits, you see it in the toe box, essentially at the guard there. And then on the lateral side, you've got the metallic foam strip, which is essentially PUMA's logo. And you can find it on the medial side also. Lacing system, it's a quick lacing system. You've got a padded tongue with the PUMA cat. And then on the insole, you've got an all-for-light insole for your comfort and needs. Very lightweight. Obviously, this sneaker was essentially a running sneaker back in the day. As I mentioned before, this is more lifestyle, and it's very much on that Speed Cat low profile look. Again, I said it before, I always say it at the minute when I'm talking about PUMA, they're having a moment right now. You can see tons of people wearing Speed Cats and Mostros. They're enjoying that low cut look. And this is kind of similar in regards to, you know, the patterning, but it is like it's like a track sneaker. Yeah, like a running track, because the speed cat was for driving actually, and you can still see the DNA there anyway, because it's essentially a fast sport, and so is running. So PUMA are very much in that lane. Big shout out to Usain Bolt, who wears PUMA. And we know you're watching, so big shout out to you, Usain Bolt. But big shout out to A$AP Rocky, because he used the INHALE for his own collaboration and his own work with PUMA. So PUMA doing their thing. It's great to see. I can't wait to try this on. So let's roll that footage of me trying these INHALE Metallics on. comes to the fit, guys, this is the perfect fit for myself. This is a UK size 7.5, and these fit perfectly. They look really good. They're very comfy. Personally, again, I wouldn't use this for running. This is more of a lifestyle sneaker, but the colors, they're loud. It being comfy and lightweight is a plus. They look really good on. So let us know on your thoughts on these Pumas. How do they fare against like a Speed Cat? Would you rather get a pair of Speed Cats, Mostros instead of the Inhales? Let us know in the comment section below. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Till next time, peace.